In late October of 2017, Moody Gardens science divers supported a National Science Foundation funded rapid response cruise to the Flower Garden Banks National Marine Sanctuary. This cruise was in response to Hurricane Harvey, which caused widespread flooding in southeast Texas when it released over 50 trillion liters of rain, which has since been accumulating on the Texas shelf. This was a 5-day cruise that sampled seawater chemistry, microbial communities, both in the water and on the reef, as well as different markers of stress in coral colonies. As we know, it was quite a flooding event in Houston, and all of that water from the Texas coast slowly migrating offshore. And this may have huge impacts to the coral reefs that are out there. The science party included researchers from Rice University, Texas A&M University, University of Texas at Arlington, and University of Houston Clear Lake. During the night, we sampled seawater to determine whether Hurricane Harvey-associated runoff had reached the Flower Garden Banks reefs. But during the day, we used diving as a mode to collect samples along the reef, under a NOAA collection permit. Even with some foul weather that we experienced out there, we were able to collect all data sets, a huge success for this cruise. And once we were on the surface, we would motor back to the boat and hop on board, and that's when the rest of the science team would take the samples and start doing their jobs as well, working everything up and making sure that everything was preserved for its transport back to the labs. At the 3 sites we visited, waters looked clear and we did not see any signs of a mass death event on the reef, which is a good thing. However, corals, sponges, and other organisms may still have been stressed by reduced water quality, and the samples we collected will help us determine that. We will be returning in April of 2018 to complete another series of sampling to determine what the extent of the impacts from Hurricane Harvey have been.